the circular pattern. Okay, please everyone pay attention here. So we are going to make this one. Okay, we are going to make this one. So what is the circle size here? How much grids are there from the center if you count? One, two, two, no? No. Radius of the circle is what? One and two, no? So I'm going to first create one circle. Circle, which method? Already default center is there, so I'm going to choose one center here. One, one, two. Okay. So this is the circle we have created. Now what next we have to do? We need to create one pentagon. So how we can create the pentagon? Polygon. And what is the distance from here? कितने distance पे है? 1. So first of all, we can create one pentagon using polygon command. Number of sides here. How many number of sides? 5. Using the edge method. So select the edge. Now we are going to create. क्या size है इसका? What is the size? How much the polygon size? 1 and 2. तो इसको जैसे भी घुमा के whatever you want to tap. ठीक है? So abhi I just want to tilt it like this way. Now after that what I do? I just select this pentagon and I can move by picking this point. I will explain this point. Okay, so ये आपका pentagon you have placed here. Now after that what you need to do? Just use the circular pattern here. Okay, so how many pentagon here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so in 360 degrees the 10 pentagons are there. So again I am going to array classic, select the object. So I'm going to select this pentagon, enter. So here I have to use polar array. Polar array. Now I'm going to define the center. Where is the center? Center of this circle only. Then enter. Number of item, how much I want? 10. And then preview. So this will you will get here. Okay, then enter. Okay, little bit space size is there, but anyway we will see that. I think we have taken this little bit. Okay, anyway, it's not very important. So that's the way you can able to create the circular one. Clear? Now in this, some of the command I want to tell you. Object snap command last time we have discussed. No. Suppose if you want to draw a line or a circle which is intersecting between these two lines. Okay, in that case, how you can highlight that point? Suppose you want to draw another circle which is intersecting with the center of the circle is intersection of between this two lines. And how you can draw that? For that, you need to highlight the intersection point. How you can highlight the intersection point? By using INT. Short form for the intersection is INT. If you type INT, it will highlight the intersection point. See, in the green color it is highlighting. So there you can easily choose the point and you can draw a line, circle, whatever you want. Suppose you want to highlight the end point. Okay, end point of the any line, you want to highlight that, and from there you don't want to draw anything. Okay, so suppose again I want to draw a circle. the center of the circle is the end point of this line. So I can just type IND and I can select that. It will highlight the end point of the line. Fine. So that highlight point you can choose and you can draw a circle or anything you want. Now suppose if you want to draw anything between the line, any midpoint of the line, how you can highlight that? It is very difficult to sometimes to identify that. In that case also, suppose I am drawing a circle, midpoint of this. So type mid, MID mid, and then it will highlight the midpoint. See, it is highlighting through triangle, highlighting the midpoint, midpoint, midpoint. So you can choose that and draw the line, circle, or anything, whatever you want. Okay. So that's the way you can highlight the midpoint. Fine. So we have discussed the intersection point, end point, midpoint, how you can able to highlight that. Okay. Now, yes. So now if you want to do some more are there, things are there. Suppose you want to do uh, here, yeah, center. Yes. So suppose from the center of this circle, you want to draw another circle or you might draw another line. So how you can highlight? Suppose I want to draw another circle. I want to from the center. So I can just going to type the center here. So it will highlight the center of the circle like it is highlighting the with the green circle. Okay. Again, I am repeating circle center. So it is highlighting the center point of the circle like this way. So you can draw the line or the circle, whatever you want. Okay. So that's the way you can handle it. Object snap command. Okay. So that's why we need to turn off here because many time you want to draw somewhere else, it will pick the object snap command. Through object snap, it will go into the end point or midpoint. So that we do not want. That's why we generally turn off this and we are going to directly type this like end if you want to highlight the end point, mid if you want to highlight the midpoint, if you want to highlight the center of this, or if you want to highlight the intersection point. So that's the way you can handle it. Okay.